Antarctica, a unique piece of landmass, 98% of which is covered with ice, was once attached to India as part of Gondwana land. This seventh continent, much larger than India and China put together, forms a source of immense interest for many inquisitive minds for a long time. Remote and extreme, Antarctica has emerged as an important key for understanding global environmental concerns. India is consolidating its strength on the icy continent of Antarctica to take up cutting-edge research activities in various fields. It established Dakshin Gangotri, the first Indian research station in the South Polar region, in 1981, which was later buried in ice and had to be abandoned. India then set up Maitri, the second station, and recently commissioned Bharti, making India a member of an elite group of nations that have multiple Earth stations in the region. Environment of Antarctica provide an opportunity to study atmospheric science, depletion of ozone, seismic activity of Earth, climate change and medicine. A total of 120 new microbes have been discovered as a result of international scientific effort. 20 of these microbes have been discovered by Indian scientists. India has also published over 300 research publications based on Antarctic studies.
The idea is that to do the experiments into a pristine environment where many such things are not possible here. You do study on the paleoclimate, also you study what is happening, say global warming on the ice sheets of Antarctica. So the whole program is directed towards knowing something which is not known. There are a lot of microbes and the life which could be also useful to find out is there any bioactive compounds which could lead to drugs discovery and all that.
While scientific objectives are immediate goals, the real reason behind the consolidation is aimed at sharing the oil and mineral resources when the Antarctica Treaty would be open for review. At the moment, no nation can exploit Antarctica resources which are treated as the common heritage of the mankind. While living in Antarctica, where temperature ranges from -89 degrees Celsius in winter to -25 degrees Celsius in summer can be tough, constructing a permanent structure is a huge challenge. With wind speed crossing 40 knots, maneuvering ships to Antarctica is an arduous job. Antarctica, being the land of midnight sun, poses challenges to the scientists.
During the month of December, January, there is no night. So there is no question of any night there. All through the sun was tracking us. It would only go slightly deep the horizon, but then again within a fraction of a second it will come up again. So there was never an evening, there was never a morning, and we completely lost the track of the time. Whenever we used to look at the watch, it was 6 o'clock. We never knew whether it is morning 6 o'clock or it is evening 6 o'clock.
Antarctica is a virtual storehouse of information about many mysteries of the Earth. This frozen continent holds the key to the story of drifting continents and the past climate of Earth. It also controls the key to global climate pattern of today, making it extremely imperative for scientific discoveries, and India is making its mark in the endeavour. Kriti Mishra, Rajya Sabha TV.